Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to change your name in VR Panorama, which is this one. Alright, let's get into it. First thing first, you can go to Business Center. Okay, come here, you come to Setting. Okay, once you design the setting, okay, first will be at Role, External Role. Okay, this store management, you press this one. Okay, so as you can see, this is the name. You select this one. Okay, from here you press Modify. So for example, John. Okay, and once you draw right, you press ready, you press OK. Modify ready. So from here, you press refresh. As you can see down here, it changed already. Okay, so I'll just show you one more time. You press roll, you press external roll. Okay, come this one, you press stuffing here. Then you come here, you press. So then modify, you change your name. Then you press OK. Then you refresh from your VR. Okay, it changed already. So for this DX, it's actually from here. You press here, you press setting. Or not here. You go to basic management, store, my, here. Then you change. Okay, then you press update from down here. Okay, then you press refresh. Okay, here. Of course, if you wonder if I change other panorama, see, also change. Okay, see, also change. All right, okay, so hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.